Good afternoon, everybody. Today is a glorious day in upstate New York. It is over 50 degrees and sunny, and it's just so beautiful out. But I thought I would come in and take a minute to do a little quick video. I've got Barbara Walters here, and I am going to I'm going to glue her to this background. And then we're going to do something funny. Well, what I think is funny anyway. I hope you're all doing well. We had a great weekend. Bethany, of course, if you know, is our daughter, and she came home for the whole weekend this weekend. Oops, don't rip it. We alternate a 2-day sleepover weekend with a 1-day sleepover weekend every month, and this was her 2-day weekend. And so we went to see the waterfalls, and they were both thawing out and running a little bit, so that was exciting. We tried to see chicks in, we have 2 Tractor Supply stores nearby, and both of them have sold out of their chicks before we could get to see them. So anyway, here's Barbara. I think she needs a little glue right here. You may know that also our son was in the hospital and he had a checkup and he's fine, but he has to stay home for another 2 more weeks because he's not allowed to do any heavy lifting, and that's his job, he's got a lot of heavy lifting, so he can't do it. But anyway, we could do this, but I'm very glad he had a clean bill of health. And we could do this. I think I'm actually liking this better. So Barbara is going to get these glasses. I don't know, I feel like maybe I should have cut that off, but it's too late now apparently. And a mouth, and this is just Funny Faces sticker coloring book I got at Dollar Tree. But she needs a mouth, so let's see what we can find. Oh, they even have noses too. I don't want her mouth to be too big though. I'm thinking maybe this one. I don't know. No, maybe not. Oh dear. No, I guess not. What about this one? I'm having trouble with the mouths. I don't want them super big. How about this one? Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Barbara Walters has had a makeover. I may add more to this at some point, but right now I have to go pick up my husband, and so this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And thank you to everyone who is watching my video. I appreciate it so much. See you again next time. Bye-bye.